How to hard reset and wipe data back to factory default on the Samsung Galaxy A15. So this method, we will use the hardware keys to perform a hard reset. Now to do so, first, let's power off the device. Press and hold on the power button. Then tap on power off. Then tap on power off. Now wait for the phone to completely switch off. Then we're going to simultaneously press on the volume up plus the power button. So now let's do it. Press on both keys at the same time. Press and hold. So press on both keys until you see the Android recovery menu. So continue to hold. Continue to hold. Okay, once you see this screen, you can let go of the buttons. Now use the volume down or the volume up key to navigate between the different menu items. So here we press on the volume down button until it said wipe data or factory reset. So in here, press on the power button here to select. Then we press on the volume down button and then press on the power button to proceed. So once you press on the power button, that will perform a factory data reset on your device. Now, if you have any data that you want to keep, make sure you back it up first because this will completely erase all your data. Now, I'm going to cancel this process because I do not want my device to reset at the moment. But if you select factory data reset and press on the side button, then the device will go ahead and erase your device. And that's it. After that, once the reset completed, you can choose reboot system now by pressing on the side button or the power button, and that will reboot your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.